How to install shaders on CurseForge. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to install shaders on CurseForge. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, find the correct file path. So before you can download and install a shader pack, you will need to find where in CurseForge your game is. Open CurseForge and navigate to the mod pack you're using. Then click the dot button on the left of the play button. Then in the drop down menu, click open folder. This is where you'll see install your shaders. After that, simply create a shaders folder. Then after that, choose a shaders pack. After that, simply install shaders. Now simply activate shaders. Now it's time to run Minecraft and activate your shaders. Once the game has launched, follow these steps. Click options, then video settings. Click shaders as shown in the above. Then in the shaders menu, choose the shader you want to activate. A loading screen will appear and return you back to the shaders menu when it's finished rendering. From this menu, you can either click the shader option button for the bottom right to customize the shader pack, or click done and return to the main menu. So in this very simple way, you could install shaders on CurseForge. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.